Hey, today we're in Columbus at the MLS site and we are going to edit a listing. So if you've never edited a listing before, this will be good information for you. We're on the home screen of the MLS and now I have it on my toolbar up here, but if you don't know where to go, you can click on menu and we're going to change a listing. Now, if you needed to add a new listing, you can add it right here. Step by step, you should be taking these little webinars on the MLS website to learn how to do these things. But if I want to change a listing, I'm going to go change listing, and it will pull up my existing listing. What I'm going to do here is just show you a little bit about what things you can change. This is not incoming soon. This is an active home, so make sure you click the right drop down here. And then we're going to go on this one right here. So when I click on it, it's going to pull up a screen that allows me to edit several different functions within the listing. So I could actually edit the verbiage in the listing, whether that's the agent-to-agent comments or the actual property description. Or if I've made an error, maybe I put a gas stove instead of an electric and I realize it's an electric stove, then I can go in and change those things. Additionally, if I need to do a price change, well, I can do that from here as well. What I'm going to do is edit an open house that I've already put in here. You want to put in your open houses into your MLS listing because you want it to auto-populate on all the websites and any searches that people are receiving. When people are getting that update, they can then plan for their weekend and for attending your open house. And hopefully you get a buyer or two out of it. So I had put 12 to 130 here. We're going to just adjust this to say edit. Instead of 130, we're going to go 0 to 2 0. Make sure that's PM. So 12 to 2. If I wanted to enter comments, I could, but I never do. Save changes. And we have just updated. I know it says error there. I'm going to come back in and fix that, but this is how you do the work. So hopefully this is beneficial. You can adjust all kinds of things about your listing here, even add photos, add a virtual tour if needed, but this is how you do it. Hopefully this was beneficial for you. Thank you.